Hello and welcome to the last day of chapter 6. Here are the answers for 6.6. Setting up a lot of proportions and solving. Hopefully you tried 24. 24 is a very fun question. Very challenging at first, but once you get it, it makes sense. Okay, I'm going to talk about dilations. I'm going to try to keep this one a little bit shorter than last video. Chapter 6.7 says perform similarity transformations. Basically, we're going to be working with what we call a dilation today. It's a transformation that stretches or shrinks a figure, and it creates a similar figure. So they have the same shape, but different sizes. And so they're going to be similar, but not congruent. And so when we did congruent transformations, we did like slides and reflections and rotations. The figures stayed the same. They were just in different spots on the grid. The scale factor is the ratio of the side length of the image to the corresponding side length of the original figure. The image is the new figure. And so when we have our scale factor, it's the image or the new one over the original one. And so sometimes you're going to have a dilation where it grows, and sometimes it's going to be a shrink. And so yeah, make sure this is in your notes. And then coordinate notation, you can describe a dilation with respect to the origin with the notation x, y, kx, ky, where k is the scale factor. So basically we're going to take the x values and the y values and we're going to multiply them by a number. If k is a decimal or a number between 0 and 1, it's going to be a reduction. And if k is greater than 1, it's going to be an enlargement. So let's get started with this. Draw a dilation of a quadrilateral ABCD with vertices A, B, and C, D, and given with a scale factor of 2. So basically, this is going to be an enlargement here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the scale factor, and we're just going to go with A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. And those little marks there mean the image marks. So you'll see that. So 4, 2, 8, 2, 8, negative 2. And what I'm just doing is I'm multiplying all of the values by 2. And there you go. And then you can plot these. 4, 2, 8, let's see, 5, 6, 7. I'm a little bit off my grid here. 8, negative 2 is over there. And then 2, negative 2. And there's my quadrilateral. So this guy right here would be the image of ABCD. A triangle has vertices A, B, C, and D given. The image of ABC after dilation with a scale factor of 1/2 is DEF. So this is going to be a reduction here. So it wants just to sketch this and then verify that the two triangles are similar. So I'm going to start with 4, negative 4. That's here. And then what are my other 2 points? 8, 2. That's there. And then 8, negative 4. That is there. And then what's going to happen here is I'm going to take all these coordinates and cut them in half because the scale factor is 1/2. So that'd be 2, negative 2. I'm going to use a different color here. 2, negative 2 for my image. And then 4, 1. And then 4, negative 1. Is that right? Nope. 4, negative 2. I feel like I did something wrong on the original one. It was supposed to be 8, negative 4. I got that one. 8, 2. I got that one. 4, negative 4. I got that one. Okay, so let me try again. 2, negative 2. That's my mistake. 2, negative 2. Okay, so I got 2, negative 2. I got 4, 1, and I have 4, negative 2. Okay, now I got it right. Okay. Okay, these are right triangles. And then I'm going to check their side lengths. This is 2. This is 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 6. 2 over 4 equals 2 over 4 equals 3 over 6. Check. And the right angles, we have side, angle, side, similarity. Boom. There we go. Okay. So they are. You are making your own photo stickers. Your photo is 4 inches by 4 inches. The image on the sticker is 1.1 by 1. What is the scale factor of the reduction? So we want the new over the original. Okay, so the new is 1.1. The original is 4. I don't like decimals, so I'm going to multiply by 10. Multiply by 10, so that's 11 over 40. There you go. Decimals and fractions. Don't like that. Okay, you want to create a quadrilateral that is similar to this quadrilateral. What are the coordinates of h? Well, what I want to do is I want to find the scale factor. I want to find k. This is an enlargement here. So we go from 1, 1 to 3, 3. So the scale factor k equals 3. Okay, now h matches up with s. So what I want to do is find s, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, comma 5. That's s. And then I'm going to multiply that by the scale factor of 3. So we have 12, 15. That is where h is going to be. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this was a little bit shorter, and I will see you in class.